We stop.
I'm going to go.
That way? Yep. Hands up front. Turn, 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 turn. Keep turning.
Keep turning. Look at that.
Okay. Yeah, but the right turns were easy ones.
Are you left? Poles down the hill from you, so you can push against them.
Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Open your knees up. There you go. Keep turning.
Okay, you lost your wedge. But you made a very nice car.
Look at that turn. Get a little speed, hands up front. Nice wedge, nice wedge. There you go. Bang, hands up front. Yeah, we're gonna do a turn this way and then we're gonna swing it back after you slow down. Okay? Remember, pressure on that left foot. Left foot.
Whee!
It's okay, but what am I doing wrong? No,
Fear.
What?
Fear.
Using a wedge. Pressure on that left foot. Oh, there you go. Look at that. All right, perfect.
Okay, do it again.
Wedge, wedge, wedge. Pressure on your left foot. There you go. Do it again. Hands up front, ball to your feet, pressure on your left foot.
Turn harder. Good, good, good. Gonna go back the other way. Come towards me. Nice big snowplow. We're going this way. Nope, nope, nope. Big wedge, big wedge. Keep turning, keep turning. Okay, now we're coming back the other way. Come towards me. There you go. Okay, keep turning this way. Look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me. Now we're going back the other way. Look at me. Okay, we're good. And big wedge. Come back, turn the other way, and stop. Big wedge, big wedge. Hey, look at that. You're alive. Okay, now we're turning hard right. Big wedge, big wedge, big wedge. Okay, now we're going back to the left. So we come down here, and now we turn back to the right again. Hard right, hard right. Keep, there you go, good. Okay, now we're coming back to the left, and back to the right again. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. All right. Okay. Take a deep breath. Out of the way for us. Here we go. So we're coming to the left. Now we're coming to the right. Oh, keep looking at me, look at me. Keep coming. Okay. So we're coming straight down. Now we're turning hard to the right, hard to the right. Keep turning, there we go. Okay. Now we're coming back down to the left again. Hard to the right. Big snowplow. There you go. Good job.
Control.
Okay, wait. Oh.
Wedge. There you go. Turn the other way.
Now you're going to go backwards.
Okay, honey.
So we should slow down nice and well. Okay? Okay, so follow me. Here we go. And very good. And coming back down this way. Good job. Okay, here we go. Look at me.
Hands up front.
Hands up front, there you go. Now turn to the right. Turn back to the left. Right. Left. Right. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Hey, you're on the wall!
How do you see the wall? You're going to go above that shoulder top. Let me see the wedge. Press on your right foot. There you go.
Okay. That's what happened.
Good. That's so good. All right. Pressure on that foot. Right foot. Pressure.
I'm not
Pressure on the right
I'm
foot.
not ready.
Pressure on the right foot.
Okay, let go. Okay.
Okay, coming back this way. Big turn. Come to me, come to me. There we go, good job. Go all the way back over this way. Very good. Keep coming this way. Now we're gonna aim down a little bit, aim towards me. Gonna turn to the right one more time. And then we're gonna come back the other way. Come back the other way. Nice wedge. Push on your right foot, right foot. Arm. Or you might feel compelled to buy airline tickets and go to Vegas and get married right away.